for success.
What up, y'all? This is TJ Fisher here with DFS Academy, and the kit that we are painting is the heartbeat of the content that we create for the students. I have a nonprofit, and I would love for you to donate and support. So click the link below so you can know how to support music education with Drums for Success. I'll see you inside the video. Yo, it's TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success. Hate that I didn't start at the beginning of the process. I literally didn't have any space in my phone, so we're jumping in the middle of it. Got brother Billy over here helping us with this. So what we're doing is we're taking my kit and we are repainting it. It's a Tama Star Classic. We're sanding it down. It was a black glitter, but we want purple glitter. So we're literally on the way to Hobby Lobby, I believe, because we couldn't find paint in other places. We went to like Home Depot and stuff and they didn't have any. So yeah, hopefully we get to the store and they actually got paint and we can actually finish, because Lord, if they don't have paint, oh Jesus, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Let's get it.
All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we in Hobby Lobby.
We're trying to find
And we're trying to find the paint. Let's see if they got some.
No, we don't have paint. We're just trying to find the spray paint.
Oh, they go to paint.
Paint.
Pray to the Lord that they got this purple sparkle.
They got it. In Jesus'
Come on,
name.
come on. Oh, they look stocked over here.
Oh,
Let's
they
see.
got it.
Oh.
They got it. Metallic purple. Okay, that's a metallic purple. It has a metallic look, but it doesn't have the glitter.
All right, guys, we gotta have faith right now because they don't have the paint. They don't have the color we need. So we literally are about to go to the store and see if we can figure this out.
We're doing this on faith, yeah.
On faith, y'all. On faith. In Jesus' name.
So those might finish 3 drums.
Oh,
Well, we can ask them if they have more in the back.
please, Jesus.
Let me have this.
Let's see.
Hey, please.
Okay, guys. So we found the cans, but they're small. We're gonna see if they have more in the back, because otherwise we might have to pivot. We might have to do some dark ones and some light ones. We might have to make the floor time a little bit darker than the actual higher times or something like that. We might have to pivot, y'all. So we're trying to figure this out right now.
That's good, John. That's good, John. I need it to be Prince Purple with the glitter on top of it.
All right, we got 6 cans at this store.
Yo, purple rain, purple rain.
And then we gotta go to another store to pick up a couple more cans that should be able to cover all these race
That means we get a discount twice.
Yeah. We about to sign up for this Michael's reward card. Come on, see, look how God works. Look,
God is good.
Won't he do it?
He do it
Yeah.
every time.
Mm-hmm.
Every time.
Every time. Where am I organ at?
Wow.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you want to keep supporting music education and the content that we create, click the donate button below and make sure you stay tuned because we got a lot more coming. I'm TJ Fisher here with DFS Academy, and I will see you guys on the next one. Much love, peace, and blessings.